नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Radha Madhav Jai Radhe Jaya Radha Shyam Sundar Jai Radhe Jaya Krishna Balaram Jaya Krishna Balaram Jaya Vrindavan Dham Jaya Vrindavan Dham Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Nitai Gaur Hari Bol Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol जगत गुरु शिल प्रभुपाद की 140 वैष्णव वृंद की जय हरि नाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ की जय
हरे कृष्णा थैंक यू आशा माता जी आज कार्तिक नहीं है साहब
वो प्रभु जी गया हुआ है दादी के घर
अच्छा ओके ओके थैंक यू सो मच माता जी थैंक यू सो मच Hare Krishna and pranams dear devotees. So welcome to our Saturday Bhagavad Gita class. Today we will read 4.22 verse and as posted on the group we'll hear a lecture by Srila Prabhupada. on this very verse. So we'll begin the class. I'll read the verse and the translation and the purport also first. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. One Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashatya Deshadarine Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhube Vacha Patitanam Pavnebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Hare Krishna. So today we are going to read Bhagavad Gita chapter 4 verse 22. Yadricha labha santushto dvandva atito vimatsara samasiddha vasiddhau cha kritva pina nibhadyate. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Translation: He who is satisfied with gain which comes of its own accord, who is free from duality and does not envy, who is steady both in success and failure, is never entangled, although performing all actions. So हम लोग थोड़े दिनों से ये पढ़ रहे हैं एक्शन इन एक्शन एंड ऑल्सो दिस जितने भी ये श्लोक हैं from 19 to 24, they tell us the symptoms of a detached worker, somebody who's detached from the results of his action. So we are reading about him, and this is a continuation of what we did last week also. So I'll read the purport. A Krishna conscious person does not make much endeavor even to maintain his body. He is satisfied with gains which are obtained of their own accord. He neither begs nor borrows, but he labors honestly as far as in his power, and is satisfied with whatever is obtained by his own honest labor. He is therefore independent in his livelihood. He does not allow anyone's service to hamper his own service in Krishna consciousness. However, for the service of the Lord, he can participate in any kind of action without being disturbed by the duality of material world. The duality of the material world is felt in terms of heat and cold, or misery and happiness. A Krishna conscious person is above duality because he does not hesitate to act in any way for the satisfaction of Krishna. Therefore, he is steady both in success and failure. These signs are visible in when one is fully in transcendental knowledge. Mm. So, mm, one who is satisfied with both ga- with gain which comes of its own accord. Mm. One is santusht, mm, and who is free from duality and does not envy, who is steady both in success and failure and is never entangled, although performing actions. So we see uh, bhakti yogis very successfully uh, following what this verse says. अगर हम शिला प्रभुपाद की लाइफ देखेंगे, so we'll see that he was always satisfied with whatever came, even as a grasta. He never craved. When we read Leela Amrit, we see he's running business, is going up and down, but he remained steady, accepting everything as a will of Krishna. He tried his best, but wasn't attached with the result. Then, as you know, Prabhupada uh, took sannyas, vanprastha, then sannyas, and then started his full-time spiritual journey, then we saw that he was never envious of anybody. And we will hear a very nice lecture Prabhupada gave, and we'll hear why this envy comes and what is the root cause of this envy. And then the next is who is steady both in success and failure. And we see how Srila Prabhupada, when he opened, he had so many setbacks. He opened League of Devotees, and it wasn't successful in Jhansi or uske baad, but Prabhupada never, he remained steadfast in his devotion to his Guru Maharaj and the instruction given by him. Similarly, we were discussing today how Srila Prabhupada lost the 1000-page manuscript of Bhagavad Gita जो उन्होंने लिखी थी जब वो एक गृहस्थ थे, और वो चोरी हो गई. So he wasn't fell down or thought, oh, it is gone, maybe Krishna की यही इच्छा है, and now I will not write Bhagavad Gita commentary. Not like that. He remained a complete servant, a sincere and dedicated servant of Bhagavad Gita and the instructions of Krishna throughout his life. And so such a person, the verse says, is never entangled, although performing actions, because these sagunana samtattetan brahma bhuyaya kalpate, because these actions are done simply for the satisfaction of Krishna. So one is not entangled. Such actions do not generate any pious or sin activity. Rather, they show devotion to Krishna, and they are pleasing to Krishna, and they are done as the will of Krishna. So also so now let us hear, there is a short lecture Prabhupada gave on this very nice verse, and I want all of us to hear. और मैं आप लोगों से ये प्रार्थना कर सकता हूँ कि जब ये लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं तो ध्यान से सुनिए, और अगर अपने पास कॉपी पेंसिल रख सकते हैं तो कॉपी पेंसिल लेके नोट बनाइए और देखिए कि हमें क्या अच्छा लगा, और लेक्चर के बाद then we can have a small 5-minute discussion. What did you like, and what we can think we can do in our life to inculcate what Prabhupada will be speaking. So now we will play the audio lecture. Please hear it carefully.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Shall I start?
Yes, Prabhu.
Jaya Radha Madhava.
You can sing with Prabhupada.
Bihari. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunya Bihari. Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari. Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari. Jaya Radha Madhava Punya Bihari. Jaya Radha Madhava Punya Bihari. गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदनन्दन ब्रजजन रञ्जन यशोदनन्दन ब्रजजन रञ्जन यमुना तीर वनचारी यमुना तीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानन्दन गोपी जन वल्लभ यशोदानन्दन ब्रजजन रञ्जन यमुना तीर वनचारी यमुना तीर वनचारी राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय स्वाहा परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्यस्ततर सदस्य भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय रामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद से अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गो गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की जय वृंदावन धाम की जय नवद्वीप धाम की जय स्वामी भक्तवृंद की जय All glories to the Assembled God. All glories to the Assembled God. All glories to the Assembled God. Thank you very much. Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Yadishchala bhasantushto Dvandvatito vimatsuraha Samakshsiddha vasiddhau cha Ruttvapina nibadhyate Yadishchala bhasantushto Dvandvatito vimatsuraha Samakshsiddha vasiddhau cha Rutvapi na nibadhyate Yadishchala bhasantushto Gandha
द्वन्द्वातीतो विमत्सरः समः सिद्धावसिद्धौ च कृत्वापि न निबध्यते Translation: He who is satisfied with gain, which comes of its own accord, who is free from duality and does not envy, who is steady both in success and failure, is never entangled, although performing actions.
Jadicha lava santushto dandatito vimatsara sama siddhau asiddhau cha kityapi na nibaddhate. So Krishna is teaching in this 4th chapter how to work. Jadicha lava. Don't be greedy. So this man is millionaire, so I have to become a millionaire. Competition. That is material disease. Now there is competition between the capitalist and the communist. Now the communist or the laborer class men, they are thinking that why the capitalists should gain, we must gain. The industry is being conducted by us. The profit shall be divided between us. Why to the capitalist? So that is not the solution. That is from frying pan to the fire. Either the world is run on the principle of communistic philosophy or capitalistic philosophy, it will never be happy. Here is the formula, that everyone should be satisfied with the profit that he can easily make, that's all. Jadirichala. Not that everyone will have the same profit. In material world, everyone is working. Somebody is getting per hour thousands of rupees, and somebody is getting not even morsel of food. But still one has to be satisfied. Because one is getting thousands of rupees per hour, I will have to get also. No, then you will never be happy. You be happy what you are gaining. Because everyone is making profit and losing according to his past karma. Purvajanmarjitam dhanam, purvajanmarjitam vidya, agre dhavati dhavati. This is the Shastric injunction. One man is trying with little capital to do some business, and within few years he becomes very multimillionaire. And one man is trying to elevate himself to a prosperous condition, but he cannot get even sufficient food. Why? Purvajanma arjitam vidya purvajanma. One boy is passing examination, standing first class. Another boy is failing. Everyone is trying. Everyone should try his best, but he should be satisfied with the result which comes without any very much strain. Jadricha lava santushto. That is lacking in the present civilization. Not only at the present moment, because Krishna was speaking 5,000 years ago, and before that he spoke Bhagavad Gita millions and trillions of years ago to the sun god. This is the way of material civilization or material condition life. Competition. The real competition began by being jealous to Krishna. Real competition began. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhoga vancha kare. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. Krishna says, Bhoktaram Jagatavasam Sarvaloko Maheswaram. So, our fall down, this I have explained the other day, is there when we wanted to compete with Krishna or become Krishna. The jealous, hingsha, ichchadesha samuttena, sarge janti parantapa. Sarge means this creation, this material creation. We have come to this material creation. We do not belong to this material creation, but we have come here. Just like one does not belong to the prison house, but by his own action he comes to the prison house. He becomes criminal and therefore is put into the prison house. By his own activity. It is not that government wants somebody should live in the prison house and somebody should live outside prison house free. It is not government's desire. Nunang pramatta, because we are mad after sense gratification. Beginning from the aquatic life or plant life or insect life, bird's life, beast life, again in the human life, there is regular competition how we can enjoy more sense gratification. But in the human form of life, one should be sensible. Therefore, the university, education, school, college, institution, they are meant for human society. There is no such thing in the animal society. And religion also meant for human society. Why? Because this life is not meant for enjoying senses like the animals. Nayang deha deho bhajang niloke kastana kamana arhati bir bhujang. I have explained several times. This body, deho bhajang, everyone, the animals, they have got also a material body. And we human beings, we have also this material body. Prahlad Maharaj also says, Durlabang manasang janma, Durlabang manasang janma, adhrubam arthadam. What is the distinction between the animal body and the human body? Biologically, here is our friend, Dr. Ghosh, he knows very well. There is no difference biologically between human body. The medical students in the biological department, they study from the frogs, from guinea pig, the human constitution of the body. There is no difference. But what is the difference? Not this bodily construction, but development of consciousness. That is the difference. See, if we do not develop, that is the opportunity in human life. In human life, there is the opportunity to develop Krishna consciousness. Therefore, Shastra says that ayanga deha, deho bhajang niloke. In the human society, the body is not meant for spoiling in sense gratification like the cats, dogs and hogs. Don't create a hog civilization. That is the warning. What is hog civilization? Hog civilization means there is no restriction of eating up to the stool. The hogs eat up to the stool. So when in the human society there is no restriction of eating, that is hog society. And there is no restriction of sense gratification or sex life, that is hog society. Because the hogs, they eat up to stool, and there is no sex restriction. They do not know whether mother, sister or daughter, that doesn't matter. You see it. Therefore it is specifically said, Ayanga deha, kastana kaman na arhati, birbhujangaji. Still the hog is sick, loitering in the streets, whole day and night. Where is stool, where is stool, where is stool, where is stool? Whole day and night. At night also is. Those who have got experience to pass stool in the villages, you go at dead of night and the hog will immediately come standing. As soon as you leave, the flesh immediately. First, they will eat. So this kind of hard labor, simply for satisfying the tongue and the genital, that is hog civilization. That is warned by Rishabdev. Nayana deho deho bhajang niloke kastana kamana arhati. Why? Kaman means eating, sleeping, sex life and defense. These are kaman, bodily necessities of life. As soon as you get this material body, you'll have to eat. In the spiritual body there is no eating. The eating means to sustain this material body. You'd find many saintly persons, practically they do not eat. Raghunath Das Goswami, he was eating at Radha Kunda. After 2-3 days after, he was eating little butter, just to satisfy. Practically no eating. Raghunath Das Goswami was a very rich man's son. His father's income was 12 lakhs of rupees in the old days. So he adopted this austerity at Radha Kunda. So actually that is the fact, that in the spiritual life there is no eating, no sleeping, no sex life, no defense. These are all material necessities. The material necessities we have got, and the hogs and dogs they have also got. So if we work also like dogs and hogs day and night for sense gratification and material satisfaction, then where is the difference between hogs and dogs and human beings? As this is going on, we are accepting this civilization as advanced. The more you have got facility for sense gratification, it is to be understood that you are advanced. That advancement means to give satisfaction to the body. So this formula, as it is given, Jadichha labha santushta. This is not possible in material civilization. Unless one is advanced in spiritual life, he cannot be Jadichha labha santushta. Because he has no material demands. Why he should make competition with others materially? Because he has got material body, yuktahara viharascha, yogas bhavati siddhira. Those who are yogis, they should be satisfied just to maintain the body and soul together, not for sense gratification. That is sufficient. Suppose in Krishna consciousness movement, what we are doing? We are giving Krishna prasadam, we are distributing everyone without any distinction. We don't make any distinction between Daridra Narayan and rich Narayan. We give prasadam to every Narayan. Of course, we do not think everyone is Narayan. That is not our philosophy. Narayan is above. Narayana bhaktyat para. Narayan is not of this material world. Narayana para bhaktyat, that is the version of Shankaracharya. So, it is a wrong philosophy that because Narayan is everyone's heart, Ishara sarvabhutanam hriddeshe arjuna tishtati. Narayan or Ishara is situated in everyone's heart. That does not mean that everyone has become Narayan. This is a wrong philosophy. If you make such distinction, then why there should be Daridra Narayan, there should be rich Narayan, there should be Chhada Narayan, Matsya Narayan, every Narayan. If you have got such vision that because Narayan is there in everyone's heart, then everyone should be addressed as Narayan. But that should not be, that is not that should not be, that is insult. If some big man, if I say, equalize him with some insignificant person, that is insult. In the Shastra it is said, Jastu Narayanam Devam, Brahmarudradi Daivati, Samattena Vikheta, Sapasandi Bhavedruvam. We cannot bring Narayan even to the level of Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva. Jastu Narayanam Devam Brahma Rudradi Daivatoi Samattena, equally, fine. Sapasandi Bhavadrivam. So, if we want to serve poor people, that's all right. That's a good business. You are merciful. That also we are doing. When you distribute prasadam for everyone's benefit, not for the Daridra Narayana, rich Narayana, everyone, Krishna's prasad. So Jadricha Lava, one who is advancing Krishna consciousness, he will be happy simply having a little morsel of Krishna's prasad. Jadrichala. Actually, when you distribute prasad, you distribute little halwa. Everyone is satisfied and everyone is accepting because it is Krishna prasadam. This consciousness, they come here. There are many rich persons, also poor persons. They come here to take a little morsel of halwa. Not that he is hungry, but he is conscious that if I take little Krishna prasadam, I will benefit. Mahaprasadi Govinde, Nama Brahmani Vaishnave, Salpa Punnavadangarajan Vishyasanaiva Jayati. Mahaprasad, the foodstuff, remnant of foodstuff of Narayan, Krishna, the same. Mahaprasadi Govinda, and Govinda Krishna, and Mahaprasadi Govinda Nama Brahmani, and in the holy name of Hare Krishna, Mahamantra. Mahaprasadi Govinde Nama Brahmani Vaishnave, as also in Vaishnava, Salpa Punnavatangrajan Vishyasanaiva Jayati. Those who are less pious, they cannot believe in these things. So, this is indirectly speaking Krishna, Jadichala Santushta. You establish Krishna at home. This center, this Krishna consciousness center, what is the purpose? You can also establish at home deity. You can also perform the deity worship. You can also perform kirtan at home. You can also read Bhagavad Gita at home. It is not that we have made this business that you come here and pay something and we profit by your payment. No. It is education. How one should be satisfied by accepting Krishna prasadam, for working Krishna. Then you'll be feeling satisfaction. You do business for Krishna. You do your occupational duty for Krishna. You cook for Krishna. You offer to Krishna. Take prasadam of Krishna. You'll feel very happy. That is the description. Jadichalava santushta dannatita vimotsa. A Vaishnava is never motsara. Motsara means, it is described by Siddharshani. Matsarata para utkarsanam asahanam. The material world is such that if your even own brother becomes prosperous, you will be envious. Oh, my brother has become so prosperous, I could not. This is natural here. Jealous, because the jealousy has begun from Krishna. Why Krishna shall be the enjoyer? I shall also enjoy. This jealousy has begun. Therefore the whole material life is full of jealousy. I am jealous of you, you are jealous of me. This is the business of material life. So here it is called Bimatsara. No jealousy. How one can be jealous? Less. Unless he is a Krishna devotee. He must be jealous. This is the nature. Therefore Sri Bhagavad says that Dharma projita koitavatra paramaninma sarana vastava vostu vedamatra. Dharma, there are many religious systems. There is jealousy, so-called religious system, cutting the throat of the animals. Why? If you are so broad-minded that if you see everywhere Narayan, why you are cutting the throat of the goats or the cows or other animals? You should be merciful to them also. But that mercifulness cannot be exhibited without being a devotee, vimatsara, nirmatsara. Therefore, this so-called religious system, which is full of matsarata, jealousy, that is called Koitava dharma, cheating in the name of religion. So, this God consciousness is not a cheating religion. It is very broad-minded. Titiksava karunika srida sarvabhutana. This Krishna consciousness movement means everyone wants to become friend of everyone. Otherwise, if a Krishna conscious person does not feel like that, why he should take trouble to preach Krishna consciousness all over the world? Vimatsara. Yeah, one should understand that Krishna consciousness is so nice that everyone should relish it. Everyone should take part of it. Krishna consciousness means God consciousness. Because people are suffering on account of lack of God consciousness. That is the cause of suffering. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogvancha kare, pasete mayatare japotiya dhore. This is the formula. As soon as we forget Krishna, immediately there is Maya. Just like in the sunshine and in the shade, they are existing side by side. If you don't remain in the sunshine, then you come to the shade, darkness. And if you don't remain in the darkness, you come to the sunshine. Similarly, if you don't accept Krishna consciousness, then we have to accept Maya consciousness. And if you don't accept Maya consciousness, then you have to accept Krishna consciousness, side by side. So Krishna consciousness means not to remain in the dark consciousness. Tamasi ma jyotir gama, that is the Vedic instruction. Don't remain in the darkness. And what is that darkness? The darkness is bodily concept of life. Jashyatma buddhi kunapeti dhatuke sadhik kalatra nishubham vaijyadhi. Jatirtha buddhi salile nakarhiche janesu avijnesu saiva gokhara. So long you are in the bodily concept of life, and this body. I am Indian, I am American, I am Brahman, I am Kshatriya, I am black, I am white, I am fatty, I am thin. These are all bodily concept of life. So long one is in the bodily concept of life, he is saiva gokhara. Go means cows and khara means ass. So unless we come out of this conception, bodily concept of life, that is Vedic instruction. To come to this transcendental platform, aham brahmasmi, I am not this body, I am spirit soul, Brahma, this is called Brahma Bhuta situation. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. When one actually is situated, that is called Gyan, knowledge. Actually, this is ignorance. So long in the bodily concept of life, Vyacheta Sutartha Vittai Janasya Mohoyam. This is not Gyan. This is Moho, illusion. Atak Vyacheta Sutartha Vittai Janasya Mohoyam Ahangamameti. So, unless one is freed from the bodily concept of life, he cannot be satisfied in anything which is easily achieved, easily gained. That is called Jadicha Lava Santushta. Because he knows that I don't require anything. But because I have got this body, I cannot neglect it also. So let me eat something, let me earn something. Whatever God gives me, God has given everyone. Nobody is starving. Nobody cannot starve, especially those who are Krishna conscious. They cannot starve. There is no question of starving either by Krishna conscious or not Krishna conscious, because Krishna has provided food for everyone. The elephant is not Krishna conscious, but he is getting his food. He is eating at one time, 1 month. Krishna is supplying. Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. So there is no such question. A God is supplying food to everyone, to the birds, beasts, ants, insects, aquatic. There is no such question that I have to feed them. If you have to feed them, just try to give them Krishna prasadam. Prasade sarvadukhanam hanirasya upajayate. This is the point. So, if a person becomes Krishna conscious, that I am part and parcel of Krishna, as Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Mamaivangsha jiva. We are actually part and parcel of Krishna. And Krishna is providing food for everyone. Avashya rakhive Krishna vishwasa palan. Krishna is providing everyone. Just like in our society, this is practical. We have got about 100 branches, and each branch we have got not less than 25 men up to 250. But we have no provision store. Every day we depend on Krishna. If food comes, this is called Akashpanthi. The food must be dropped from the sky. This is called Akashpanthi. And Krishna is sent. If Krishna is sent, then we eat. But you'll be surprised that we have to spend not less than $80,000 per month. But Krishna is supplying. Eko jo bahunam vidadhati kama. Why Krishna is not supplying? If Krishna is supplying to the elephant in the forest, and those who have dedicated their life there Krishna, they will not be supplied with the necessities. Why not? Vishwasa palanam. This is called faith. One should know, if Krishna is supplying food to the elephants in the jungle and to the ants in the whole of my room, what we have done, that he will not supply food. It is common sense. That is called jadichala vasantushta. But he must be satisfied whatever Krishna gives. If Krishna gives luchi puri, that is also all right. And if he gives sukha chana, that is also all right. Jadichala vasantushta. Because we are depending on Krishna. Whatever Krishna gives, we should be satisfied. We should not never be dissatisfied. Oh, Krishna today is giving only sukha chana. And whatever Krishna gives, that is devotee. Jadichala vasantushta dandatito. No enviousness. Why I shall be envious? If somebody is eating very nicely and I am not eating nicely, why I shall be envious? We should be satisfied. Krishna has given it. Just like in the hospital, one patient is eating very nutritious food, and another patient, the physician has ordered, he should not take anything. So why he should be envious? He should know the physician has prescribed like this, that I shall not take anything, and he has prescribed to the other patient, next bed, nutritious food. So it is the physician's desire for treatment. Similarly, we should not be disturbed by all these things, that he is eating more, he is enjoying more. Nobody is enjoying more. Whatever Krishna has given, he is enjoying. That is called jadichala vasantushta dandatita. Dandatita and vimarsara. He is not envious. Why he should be envious? Just like at the present moment, politically, a poor man is envious of a rich man, because there is no Krishna consciousness. And a so-called rich man is eating himself sumptuously, but he does not take care of the poor man. This is envious, let him die. No. The rich man should distribute prasadam through Krishna consciousness to the poor man. And the poor man should not be envious of the rich man. Then there will be happiness, prosperity. not that to form a political party and to become envious. Vimarsara, sama, siddhau asiddhau cha. If you are working for Krishna, this is Krishna's desire. If you be successful or not successful. Here the word is used, asiddhau. That means don't think that because you are Krishna conscious, you will be always successful. No, it doesn't matter. Even if you are unsuccessful, you must know it firmly, that without Krishna's desire nothing can happen. If you are unsuccessful, then you should, that is Krishna consciousness. You should know also that it is Krishna's desire. It is Krishna's desire. So there is no question of being depressed because you are unsuccessful. A devotee is never depressed in the horrible condition of life. Tattenukampa susumiksamana bhunjana, just like Prahlad Maharaj. He was always being put into trouble by his father. But he was never envious of his father. When he was requested by Nrsimhadev to take benediction, he refused anything for himself, but he begged to the Lord for his father. My dear Lord, my father has become envious to you. So I request you to excuse him. Just see, this is Vimarsara, Srida Sarvabhutana. He was not against his father. Similarly, a Vaishnava, a Krishna conscious person, he is Nirmasara. And this Krishna consciousness movement is Parama Nirmasarana. It is meant for the Parama Nirmasara. Paramhamsa. Those are not envious. Srida Sarvabhutana. They are friend of everyone. Not this particular class, but everyone. Srida Sarvabhutana. Samas siddha siddhau asiddhau cha krityapina nibaddhate. Because the law of karma is so accurate that every action is being recorded. But if you live like this means you live in Krishna consciousness. Nirmasara, siddha siddhau, sama. That can be possible only when we live in Krishna consciousness. Then all our actions will not be binding upon us. Otherwise, any little thing we do, jagyarthe karmanatro lokayam karma bandhana, we shall be entangled. And that is material life. If we become entangled more and more, then the process of changing body, tatha dehantara prapti, it will go on. Nasadu manne jato atmanayam asallapi klesata asmade. Although this body is temporary, it is full of miseries that we do not understand. We are thinking that we are very happy. Where is your happiness? Therefore Krishna says that even though you think that by material advancement you have become very happy, but you should always keep in your front janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshana darshanam. Then you have to die. Then where is your happiness? If you can make such arrangement that you will not die, whatever you have created you will enjoy, then it can be said as happiness. But that is not possible. You have to die. Therefore Krishna gives more prominence to these four kinds of miseries. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshana darshanam. So people should be satisfied in any condition of life given by Krishna, and he should endeavor for developing his Krishna consciousness. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. This is the real aim of life. Not to make competition to get more comfortable life than your neighbor or father or brother or like that. That is not our business. That is the business of the cats and dogs. Kastan kaman arhati bir bhujanji. Then, what is that? Tapo dibbam. This human life is for tapasya. This is tapasya. All right, Krishna has given me this position. That's all right. I will be satisfied. This is the tapasya. Why should I make competition? Simply by doing competition I am not going to be successful. That is the instruction of all Shastra. Tasyaiva heta prajateta kovida na labhate jad bhamatam upad tallabhate dukkha vadannatha sukham kalena sarvatra gobirahamsa. Do you think that if you try to become more happy, you'll be happy? No. The Shastra says that you get miserable condition of life without hankering after this. Nobody hankers after that all miseries may come upon. No. But it comes. Similarly, all kinds of happiness that you are destined to enjoy, that will also come. So you don't waste your time for material happiness. You simply save your time for development of Krishna consciousness. Then you will be happy, then you will be free. That is the instruction of Krishna. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, devotees. So, I hope I can't see everyone. Okay. Hare Krishna. So, कैसा लगा आप सबको ये लेक्चर? मैं सुन रहा था वापस आके ये लेक्चर और फिर मुझे लगा कि अच्छा यही है कि आप लोग सब प्रभुपाद के मुख से ही सुने. He has potency. Or so that's why I took the liberty of hearing from Prabhupada directly today. So who would want to share what did they like in the lecture or anything they understood? Please raise your hand or come forward and share what did we like. It's just not about hearing. It's also about mananam and contemplation, and then actionam. Then we do some action also. So we have some devotees, Shivani Mataji, Rani Prabhu, Sunil Prabhu. They are saying wonderful lecture, wonderful. But I want to hear what was wonderful and what did we want to apply in our life. Yes, Rani Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhu. So I was just finding out all the points which I wanted to mention. So with such a wonderful lecture by Srila Prabhupada, actually the way he was gradually progressing towards the thing of becoming Krishna conscious, actual solution for everything that how we can. So that was wonderful. So one point was that like we cannot be satisfied simply by working, but if we simply do all the actions for Krishna and like simply like there was one example which was there for distribution of food. So Srila Prabhupada said that distribution of food should be there, but through Krishna consciousness. So that was one point, and that if we do like if we do our business for Krishna, if we do our occupational duty for Krishna, and if we cook for Krishna, we offer for Krishna, and we take prasadam for Krishna, then we'll feel happy and satisfied. So that was one point, Prabhuji. And also there was point of jealousy, and like how Prabhupada like starts from the actual thing Ichhadvesha, how it actually started, and then this world means everybody is jealous of everybody, and that is where the start actually starts from there only, and how he gradually brings the point at how being Krishna conscious, that means no jealousy, and that means a devotee means no jealousy. So that he mentions, and and also
Hold on, Prabhu. Let me ask some others also. Okay, anybody else want to share? Amit Prabhu, Rashmi Mataji is saying she wants to ask. Yes, Rashmi Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Danvat Pranam. Prabhuji, while I was listening to this lecture, Prabhupadji said that we should be confident that Krishna will supply us food. When he is supplying food to an ant, he is supplying food to everybody, then why not to us? To this, the question came to my mind that how can we be so confident, because we don't know what are our karmas in the past. So there is a possibility that we are destined for any such thing wherein maybe tomorrow we are not even worth getting that food. So is that not possible?
Yes, Mataji. Prabhupada used the word Akash Panthi, that it should fall from the sky. And Prabhupada said, if you can give to the elephants and the ants, then Prabhupada used the word, what have we done not to get it? So Krishna is our maintainer. It's a difficult one because all these things, जो सारी stages हैं, ये शरणागति के limbs हैं, और कि भगवान हमारे maintainer हैं. That comes gradually. हम उसको imitate नहीं कर सकते हैं, but हम उसकी desire जरूर कर सकते हैं माता जी. और धीरे धीरे जब हम baby steps लेते हैं, then we will find that actually eko bahunam vidhati kama. This is one who's maintaining everybody. So विश्वास कहाँ से आता है कि अगर कृष्ण भगवान है और वो सबका पालन पोषण कर रहे हैं, एक चींटी का भी और हाथी का भी, तो फिर हम जो भगवान का नाम ले रहे हैं, हमने ऐसा किया कि वो हमें नहीं देंगे. बट उन्होंने, प्रभुपाद ने दूसरा देखिए कितना सुंदर बताया कि एक अस्पताल, उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिया कि या तो लुची पूरी खाइए या मिल रही है सूखा चना है, दोनों को ही आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. और उसका प्रभुपाद ने एग्जाम्पल दिया बहुत अच्छा कि अस्पताल के अंदर 2 मरीज हैं, एक को फुल डाइट मिल रही है और एक की डाइट बड़ी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है, फुल मील. और तो एक पेशेंट दूसरे पेशेंट्स को ईर्ष्या नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि उनको मालूम है कि मेरे लिए भी यही ठीक है. सो फॉर अस टू टेक दैट leap of faith will not come in one big leap, rather it comes in small leaps. माता जी, जैसे जैसे हमारा भगवान पे विश्वास बढ़ता है और भगवान के भक्तों में विश्वास बढ़ता है, उसी तरह से हमारा जो फेथ है वो गाढ़ा होता रहता है. एंड देन one is able to devote completely to Krishna, and then without any fear, because they know, they have complete faith that Krishna will take care of me. हाँ,
Yes.
अवश्य राखी, ये रॉनी प्रभु लिख के दिया है, अवश्य राखी में कृष्णा विश्वास पालन. Yes, this शरणागति limb Prabhupada is speaking about, but he's not speaking. देखिए प्रभुपाद के साथ बहुत खास बात यह है कि वो किसी चीज़ को बहुत संस्कृत के टर्म्स वगैरह यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि हिज नॉलेज इज़ अ रियलाइज नॉलेज, और वो उसको बड़े ही प्यार से आपको बताते हैं ताकि वो बड़ी हमें सरल लगती है, और वो है भी सरल. इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस इज सिंपल फॉर द सिंपल एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फॉर द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सो और इट इज़ अ मैटर ऑफ फेथ माता जी. तो जैसे जैसे हमारा जो वो अलग अलग स्थिति है उसकी श्रद्धा की, तो जैसे जैसे श्रद्धा गाढ़ी होती रहती है, उसी हिसाब से भगवान के प्रति हमारा जो विश्वास है वो और बढ़ता चला जाता है माता जी.
यस प्रभु जी. आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि जैसे फेथ तो हम अगर रखते हैं कृष्णा पे, फेथ हमें है, लेकिन अगर हमारे कर्मास ऐसे थे जिसकी वजह से हमें ये पनिशमेंट मिलनी है, तो वो तो हमें मिलेगी जैसे हम कहते हैं, बट थोड़ी सी उसकी इंटेंसिटी कम हो जाती है पनिशमेंट की, बट पनिशमेंट तो हमें मिलती है.
यस माता जी. सो देन वही तो मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि उसमें जो पनिशमेंट है वो तो प्रभुपाद ने बोला ना, देखिए कि जैसे दुख आते हैं, दुखों को बुलाते नहीं हैं हम कि आइए हमारे घर में, वो अपने आप आते हैं. इसी तरह से शास्त्र बोलते हैं कि जिस तरह से दुख आते हैं उस तरह सुख भी अपने आप आएंगे. तो जो आपका कोटा लिखा हुआ है आपके कर्मों से, वो आपको मिलना ही मिलना है, उससे आप बच नहीं सकते. चाहे आप, प्रभुपाद ने लिखा कि कितना भी कंपटीशन कर लीजिए, कितना भी सक्सेस फॉर्मूला कर लीजिए, जो आपके भाग्य में लिखा है आपको उससे ज़्यादा या उससे कम नहीं मिलेगा. वो कोटा आपका है ही है, वो आपको भोगना ही पड़ेगा. बल्कि जब हम कृष्ण भक्ति करते हैं तो उसका एडवांटेज ये है कि जो हमारी जो डोर है, जो वो अभी जो महामाया के पास है, वो हम मटेरियल एनर्जी से चेंज होकर कृष्णा के पास अपने आप आ जाती है. और कृष्ण क्या करते हैं, वो जो हमारे जो कर्म हैं उनको बहुत कम कर देते हैं, और बल्कि और जो थोड़े बहुत रहते भी हैं उनको भी ही यूजेस. कर्म तो देखिए भगवान बोलते हैं, भागवतम या स्क्रिप्चर्स बताते हैं कि आप एक बार भी भगवान का नाम लेते हैं तो जन्मों जन्मों के कर्म पुराने कट जाते हैं. बल्कि कृष्ण क्या करते हैं, वो जो हमारे संचित कर्म है वो उनको यूज करते हैं. ओ ही हैज दिस कर्म, सो दिस आई गिव टू, you know, to Rashmi Mata ji, then it will help her become more tolerant. It will help her in her devotional life, like that. So he uses them as a tool rather than as a consequence, like this. Hmm? Yoga shemam vahameham. So he's he starts treating us as a person, and then how to come more closer by each step. तो वो जो भगवान का प्लान है, सो वी शुड बिकम ए कॉन्शियस कॉपरेटर रादर देन ट्राइंग टू फाइट इट ऑफ. इसीलिए लोग देवी देवता के पास जाते हैं. हम पढ़ते हैं काम स्थैर्य हित ज्ञान. वाई? बिकॉज जो मिल रहा है उससे संतुष्ट नहीं है. जबकि शास्त्र कह रहे हैं, देखिए भगवत गीता में वो यूँ कह रहे हैं कि आप संतुष्ट रहिए, बट हम लोग संतुष्ट नहीं हैं. और उसका रीज़न यही है कि इतने जन्म जन्मों से प्रभुपाद ने कितना, वो थोड़ा सा स्टार्क एग्जाम्पल था वो एक हॉक का जो प्रभुपाद ने दिया. स्टार्क एग्जाम्पल, क्योंकि हर एक योनि में ही भोग रहे हैं. तो जब वो इतनी योनि भोग के आते हैं तो मनुष्य योनि के अंदर भी हमारा सेम जो है वो हमारे हमारे कॉन्शियसनेस में है कि आई जस्ट वांट टू एंजॉय. जस्ट फ्रॉम वेरी ग्रॉस वी हैव कम टू लिटिल मोर सोफिस्टिकेटेड, लाइक दैट. बट एडवांटेजेस कि हमारे पास चेतनता है एक विकसित की हुई, और उस चेतनता को अगर हम भगवान की तरफ मोड़ते हैं तो हम स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हैं, और ये जो कर्म बंधन है इससे पार हो सकते हैं. माता जी.
Thank you, Prabhuji. The way you explained that Krishna will use that karma to make me more tolerant, this is very helpful for me to understand. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Thank you much. Prabhupada. Anybody else want to share? Amit Prabhu?
Hare Krishna.
Shivani Mataji? She is
Hare
who was
Krishna,
raised the hand.
Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Maybe after Amit Prabhu, I'll share.
Okay. Yes, Amit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhupada very nicely explained, Prabhuji. One thing, Prabhupada said that as we are getting our result of our miseries are coming. So similarly, the happiness will also come. So we should not over endeavor, or even not even endeavor for that. Number one, and number two, Prabhupada explained that we should do our duties. We should because we have this body, so we consider that whatever we are getting, so we should do perform our duties and do the devotional service.
No, he didn't say we should do our duty. He said you do everything for Krishna.
Yes.
He says you do everything for Krishna. Prabhupada calls it responsive cooperation. कि जितना आप डालेंगे उसी हिसाब से ही आगे रिजल्ट मिलता है. थैंक यू प्रभु. यस शिवानी माता जी.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam.
हरे कृष्ण.
Prabhuji, whole lecture was a gem, but I would like to share 3 points, which touched my heart. First one is जिसमें प्रभुपाद बताते हैं, like I just note it down. लाइक वेरी स्ट्रांगली कि अगर भगवान ने सबके लिए फूड बनाया है, बीइंग इट डिवोटी और नॉन डिवोटी, सो अगर वो किसी को भी फूड देते हैं, देन ही प्रोवाइड टू एवरीवन. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ लिविंग यू. तो इट इट आई फेल्ट लाइक अ डिपेंडेंस. इट हेल्प्ड इंक्रीज माय डिपेंडेंस ऑन कृष्णा. सो इससे मतलब हम ये रियलाइज कर सकते हैं, लाइक मतलब अगर हमें देंगे तो वो हम ही इज द ओनली वन हु कैन सप्लाई फूड टू एवरीवन. सो एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट इज प्रभुपाद जिसमें कहते हैं, इफ यू आर अनसक्सेसफुल, नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ बीइंग डिप्रेस्ड. I just felt like a grandfather saying कि अगर problems तो definitely आएंगी, there will be no point that there will not be any problem. But if there is any problem, there is no worry, there is no point of being depressed. So just bear that. So इसमें जैसे प्रभुपाद उसके बाद बताते हैं, very bold line, a devotee is never depressed. And the third point is, like Prabhupada said, human life is a tapasya. And as we grow old and old, so we really felt that it is actually a tapasya.
अभी तो आप वृद्धावस्था में आए नहीं माता जी, अभी
Yes.
से आपको कहाँ से एक्सपीरियंस हो गया? अभी तो आप आगे देखिए 20-30 साल के बाद।
Yes, Prabhuji. So that these are the points that I wanted to share. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you माता जी. Anybody else wants to share?
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare
Can I
Krishna.
share something?
Yes, please.
Yeah, Prabhu, there are many wonderful things in the lecture, but the most important, as per my understanding, which touched me, is that Prabhupada said that material advancements are useless and it's the spiritual advancement that matters most. In throughout our life, we are just running here and there to seek happiness, for enjoyment, and we didn't get that enjoyment. We are not satisfied. When that thing comes to us, when that level of happiness comes to us, another set of miseries come to us. Krishna is giving us as and how much we deserve and beneficial for us, like the example of doctor, food given in the hospital. So we should, instead of going after these material things, just hankering, मेरे को और चाहिए और प्रॉफिट बिजनेस में लेके जाना है, मेरे को ये भी चाहिए. We should divert our energies towards Krishna consciousness. We actually, what is happening with me after listening to this lecture, कि काफी चीजें पता है, we are reading these things, but I don't know why today after listening this, it just clicked my mind. It just get एक फ्रेश मेमोरी में आ गया, एंड आफ्टर दैट एक अलग चीज, एक अलग रियलाइजेशन लेवल पर आ जाता है कि हाँ यार, ये चीजें व्हाई वी आर रनिंग हियर एंड देयर, वी जस्ट फॉरगॉट दैट, एंड नाउ इट्स जस्ट अ रियलाइजेशन. यस, so this is the main point in addition to other points, but that's the main point that touched me. Hare Krishna.
Yes, thank you, Mohit Prabhu. Yes, when we hear from pure devotee, so जो सिंपल चीज़ें भी होती हैं वो भी हमारे हृदय को छूती हैं. और मेन चीज़ देखिए यही है कि what is priority in my life? Is it my business? Is it my family? Is it my spiritual life? Is it me? Who is my priority? और वो किसी से और वो हमें भगवान से छुपा नहीं सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो हमारे हृदय में बैठे हैं. ईश्वर सर्वभूतानां. So Hideshe Arjun Tishtati. So he is sitting in our heart. So he is private to our heart and our actions. Everything Krishna is seeing कि हम कितना चाहते हैं. क्योंकि सिर्फ I love you कहने से तो काम नहीं चलेगा. But everything has to come, they say thinking, feeling, willing. So many times we think about it, but there is no feeling. And sometimes we think about it and there is some feeling also, but the feelings are not good enough to translate into an action, like this. So जितना हम भगवान से शुद्ध भक्तों से सुनते हैं और जितना हम भगवत गीता भागवतम पढ़ेंगे, सो उतना हमारे मन में जो हमारे विचार हैं वो शुद्ध होते चले जाते हैं, और वो एक शुद्ध भक्त का उनका जो वचन है वो हमारे कहीं ना कहीं हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस को जोड़ता है, and then we feel inspired to take action. इसीलिए प्रभुपाद बोलते थे कि in spiritual life everybody has to fly their own aeroplane, ऐसे प्रभुपाद बोलते. क्योंकि कोई आपको कुछ नहीं पता. अंतकाले, तो अंतकाल के अंदर अगर भगवान का स्मरण करना है, तो उसका प्रैक्टिस आपको ही करनी है. वो कोई हमें लेक्चर सीख सकते हैं, हम वी फील वेरी इंस्पायर्ड, वी से हरि बोल, वेरी गुड लेक्चर, बट about my spiritual life, only I have to worry. I have to take care, of my spiritual life. What do I want? Or, so I also felt, ये मैंने 2 बार सुना लेक्चर, फिर मुझे लगा कि ये एज इट इज ही सुनाना चाहिए. ये मैं नहीं कर सकता, ये प्रभुपाद ही कर सकते हैं. और उसका मेन रीजन यही है, देखिए जो प्रभुपाद ने बोला, कृष्ण भाई मूर्ख है या भोगवान चिकारे, कि हम लोग कृष्ण से विमुख होके आए हैं. अभी भी विमुख ही हैं. अभी भी हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं ये भी ठीक है और ये भी ठीक है, पर वो गाड़ी ऐसे चलती नहीं है अगर हमने भगवान के घर जाना है वापस. तो So thank you so much, Mohit Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for sharing such a wonderful lecture. Prabhuji, जैसे प्रभुपाद जी इस लेक्चर में बोल रहे हैं कि हमें मतलब अवश्य रक्षिबे कृष्णा, हमें मतलब 100% ये फेथ होना चाहिए कि कृष्णा हमारी रक्षा कर रहे हैं, हमें सब कुछ दे रहे हैं. बट प्रभु जी, लाइक हम अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ सेव करना चाहते हैं, मतलब लाइफ में हम चाहते हैं कि कुछ लाइक हम जो भी कमा रहे हैं हमें लगता है यस कुछ सेविंग हमें उनके फ्यूचर के लिए रखनी है. तो प्रभु जी, मतलब हम इस फेथ को कैसे और स्ट्रॉन्ग करें कि मतलब सब कृष्णा करने वाले हैं फिर भी हम उनके फ्यूचर को लेके वरिड रहते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा सोचते हैं. तो प्रभु जी, हमें मतलब बिल्कुल फुली सरेंडर होना चाहिए ना कृष्णा के लिए कि जब वो है तो हमें क्या चिंता करने की जरूरत है, बट फिर भी वो चिंता रहती है. तो प्रभु जी, मैं अपने लिए कह रही हूँ कि मुझे वो फेथ कैसे इंक्रीज करना चाहिए कृष्णा के लिए कि मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचूं इस बारे में. तो ये ठीक है प्रभु जी कि नहीं, मतलब बच्चों के लिए सोचना ठीक है कि नहीं इस तरह से.
थैंक यू माता जी, इट्स अ वेरी सिंसियर क्वेश्चन. और देखिए, एक होती है हमारी मटेरियल ड्यूटीज़. सो मटेरियल ड्यूटीज़ वी हैव टू परफॉर्म. उसके लिए जो भी चाहिए, जो ड्यूटी एज ए हस्बैंड, एज ए वाइफ, एज ए फादर, एज ए सन, जो भी हमारी ड्यूटी है वो कर्तव्य हमने करने हैं. बट हमें ये देखना चाहिए कि हमारा मेन कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने बच्चों को कृष्ण कॉन्शियस बनाएं. दैट इज़ अ बेस्ट वेल्थ वी कैन गिव इट टू देम. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर हमने उनके भविष्य के लिए, उनके आजकल पढ़ाई लिखाई महंगी है, हर एक चीज़ ही महंगा है, उनके लिए अगर हम कुछ भविष्य के लिए जोड़ते हैं तो उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है. बिकॉज दैट इज वी कैन नॉट बी इररिस्पॉन्सिबल. और ना हमारी ऐसी स्थिति है. कई बार गुरु महाराज से भक्त पूछते थे, स्पेशली जो लोग कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में हैं, कि हम क्या करें और ऐसे वहाँ पॉलिटिक्स होती है, ये हम्बल बने रहेंगे. सो गुरु महाराज से यू डू व्हाट इज नेसेसरी फॉर यू टू बी देयर लाइक दैट. Because he said ki, we are not at a stage of, let's say, Pandavas, where the wife is being humiliated, आपको राजकाज से बाहर निकाल के आपको जंगलों में भेज दिया. But they have no problem because they are attached to Krishna. They are not attached to living in a opulent life. But हम लोगों की ऐसी स्थिति नहीं है. और जैसे मैं रश्मि माता जी के साथ भी बात कर रहा था कि we have to see कि मेरे को भक्ति में आए हुए जगतानी माता जी ऐसे बोलती हैं मेरे को कि देखो गिरिराज, तुम्हें भक्ति में आए हुए भी 8 साल हुए हैं, तो अभी तुम 8 साल के बच्चे हो, तो 8 साल के बच्चे की तरह बिहेव करो लाइक दिस. सो main thing is, Mataji, we should know where our thing we want to depend upon Krishna. We are dependent on Krishna. पर हमें मालूम नहीं चल पाता कि हो क्या रहा है सब कुछ. कभी जिंदगी में कष्ट भी आते हैं और कभी खुशियां भी आती है, पर हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि किससे क्या हो रहा है. तो इसका जो सोल्यूशन है जो आप मांग रहे हैं, वो दैट इज श्रवणम कीर्तनम ओनली. माता जी, जो मैंने ऋषि माता जी को बोला कि जितना हम भागवतम पढ़ेंगे, जितना हम भगवत गीता पढ़ेंगे, बार बार पढ़ेंगे, और इस एटीट्यूड से नहीं पढ़ेंगे कि हमें कुछ ज्ञान मिलेगा या कुछ जानेंगे, बल्कि इस एटीट्यूड से पढ़ेंगे दैट आई एम सर्विंग श्रीला प्रभुपाद, आई एम सर्विंग माय गुरु महाराज, आई एम सर्विंग भगवत गीता, आई एम सर्विंग श्रीमद् भागवतम. तो हम पाएंगे कि हमारा जो चित्त के अंदर उसका जो इफेक्ट है, इट विल बी वेरी हाई. और वो ग्रेजुअली हमें पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा किसी से कि हम क्या करें क्या ना करें, ऐसा ना करें. ग्रेजुअली वी विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग डिसीजंस इन ए अप्रोप्रिएट मैनर. हाँ, क्योंकि भगवान हमारे दिल में बैठे हैं और ददामि बुद्धि योगम तम. सो ही विल गिव द इंटेलिजेंस हाउ टू डू इट. आप देखिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु के जितने भी मेन जो उनके अनुयायी थे, दे वर मोस्टली गृहस्थस, दे वर नॉट सन्यासीस, एंड दे वर सक्सेसफुल पीपल. Some were very renunciate, but many were very successful. So he handled each of them appropriately. So it is just not that we should not become irresponsible. Coming back to your question, at our stage, we should do what is required, but we should also see what we have to give it to them is a spiritual wealth. Guru Maharaj जब भी किसी को आशीर्वाद देते थे, ये बोलते थे, you become a very good devotee. This was blessing always. So we have to take step in that direction, and then that is a primary thing. Rest are secondary. That is okay. No problem.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Thank you.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So anybody else wants to share? Ronnie Prabhu ही मैसेज पे मैसेज डालते जा रहे हैं. He has made so many notes. Let me read. He has sincerely made all the notes. Prabhupada very beautifully brought the point that unless one is free from bodily conception of life, he cannot be satisfied. Oh, he cannot be satisfied with what comes easily, which is yadricha labdha santushta. Yes. इसके लिए हमने कल बात की थी कि we can pray to Advaita Acharya. He can remove that false ego, wrong misidentification. Second, from Ronnie Prabhu's writing, also he said that don't think that we will always be successful. Whatever is happening or will happen will be Krishna's desire. So there is no question of being stressed. This was very nice point. I will try to implement this and be more accepting in nature. Yes. So जो भी हम point बोलते हैं, we have to see what I will apply. So this is this is most important part from a lecture is what will I do, and then seeing that I will do this, because right now we may develop feelings, but it has to convert into action. Then next point, Ronnie was writing, he mentioned that even though we may become happy by some material advancement, but we must bring Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi in front. We have to die. Then where is happiness? That was very nice point. Guru Maharaj also used to say that actually science is not developing. It is a technology. And there is a difference between science and technology. Or because the technology is being evolved, हमें लगता है साइंस बहुत तरक्की कर रही है, बट साइंस तरक्की नहीं कर रही है. अगर साइंस तरक्की करती होती तो बीमारी नहीं होती. आज सारी बीमारियां चली गई होती. इतने लोगों को बनना नहीं पड़ता. साइंस तरक्की नहीं कर रही है. टेक्नोलॉजी इज डिफरेंट. टेक्नोलॉजी is different. So it is a technology which is being coming. Next point he's writing, he also mentioned that people should be satisfied in any condition of life given by Krishna and try to endeavor to increase our Krishna consciousness, not to create unnecessary competition. Yes, thank you, Ronnie Prabhu. And Sunil Prabhu is writing, Hare Krishna, Sunil Prabhu. Prabhupada saying in material world, temporary happiness comes, but in the Krishna consciousness, permanent happiness comes. Yes, Satchidanand. Devotee always try to engage in Krishna consciousness. Don't waste time for temporary material. Yes, activities. Yes. Thank you, Sunil Prabhu. Yes, very nice points. And then Ronnie Prabhu is again writing. He mentioned that Krishna conscious movement means everyone wants to become a friend of everyone. And if one doesn't feel like this, then how can one take the trouble to preach Krishna consciousness? Well, that is the मेन थिंग कि पर दुखा दुखी जो वैष्णव है, इस पर दुखा दुखी, और यही भाव प्रीचिंग का सार है. We can do preaching for many other things also, to get adulation, to get followers, to get money, to get position. So many ways, this that anarthas come in devotee's life, but we see those who dedicate their life completely. We can see in their life that they have no material annabhilashita shonyam. They only want to please Krishna. That is the only thing, and that is the only motive to preach. They don't want anything. So we have such wonderful, many wonderful devotees in our movement. Radhesham Prabhu, Bhakti Premraj, so many. Second generation, first generation though were yes, all wonderful. In second generation also we are saying Rukmini Krishna Prabhu, that they have no other motive to only to help others. Par dukha dukhi, or this is what their spiritual master desire, like that. So yes, thank you so much. So main thing, जैसे मैंने आप सब लोगों से बोला कि is thinking, feeling, willing, कि सोचना चाहिए और फीलिंग जनरेट होनी चाहिए, और हमें देखना चाहिए कि मेरी लाइफ में प्रायोरिटी क्या है. and that priority should be spiritual. Other things we do as a responsible, but जैसे प्रभुपाद ने बताया, we should not waste our time in collecting too much. You know how much we want to give. जिसे कोई अंत ही नहीं है देने का. You know, somebody may say, okay, I have to do something for my kids so that they get education, they get properly marriage, like this. But somebody may say, no, I want to give one flat to my daughter, one to my son, one to this, I want to do this, I want to do this. And then wasting 10 to 12 hours or 14 hours, you know, doing a job or a business or whatever, could be anything, a tehar. So that is not a, a suitable, way to develop Krishna consciousness, like that. That's why that जो माता जी ने बोला कि कृष्णा इज आवर मेंटेनर, वो फीलिंग आनी इज वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. और वो तभी आएगी जब हम भक्ति में सीरियस और सिंसियर होंगे. तो वो विश्वास पालन इज अ स्टेज, वी हैव टू कम टू दैट स्टेज. So thank you so very much. We have taken, it's almost 9 o'clock today. So I'm sorry I took little time, but I hope you all liked the lecture. And I pray कि जो भी आप लोगों के हृदय को छुआ कि वो आपके साथ रहे और उस पर आप कोई एक्शन कर सकें. So we'll end the class now. Vancha kalpatrubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णविंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल.
हरे कृष्ण गुरु जी.
हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण.